Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are here with a special guest, Crazy Time / Lucy. Okay, alright, so this is my obby, and we are going to continue it. This is Lucy's obby over here. Oh my god, yours is so high. How much? I can't see how much, what's cash I have. It's in my way.
It's at the bottom of your screen.
No, that border thing's covering it. I can't get it. I want to get that. Who the heck is in my obby? It's not. He thinks it's the win thing. It says not done. What are you doing? I just killed herself.
I know, it says not done.
Okay, so what should we do next? Yes, I like those things that you had. How do you have the stairs already?
What do you mean?
You have the stairs. How do you have that? I like this one.
What do you mean, how do you have it?
How do you have the stairs? Oh, I'm on the jumping castle. Okay, now let's build the next thing. I'm going to do the checkpoint.
Checkpoint?
By the way, since you're on FaceTime, you sound really weird.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, now. Oh, wait, can you change the color of the walls?
Huh?
Can you change the color of the walls? I have a color theme going on, and I change the color of the walls. Oh, you look, you can change the trampoline too. The walls are going to be this color. Yay! Are your walls yellow?
Yeah.
What? So that's my sister.
Why?
Oh, I just want to know. I'll be back in a sec.
Where are you going?
My sister's calling me for some reason. Okay, I'm back.
Because I'm broke and I need more money.
You need money? Really? I just need the $5,000 I want. Okay, now let's put the checkpoint, the color. My theme is blue. Well, your theme's yellow, isn't it? Because you're yellow. Yeah. I want the stairs. I just need $5,000, but I don't even know how much money I have.
Pardon?
I don't even know how much money I have. What's the sign here? I'll show you in a sec. Oh, never mind. I don't even need it. Well, I can't even get it. So what should we build next? I want to make this thing go bigger. Oh, we need to be deluxe member. Why did I say that? Really?
I'm just like following this lady. She's giving me like all of the things that she literally gave me all the pathways. So yeah. Go to the hard obby and we can do it together.
I'm probably gonna die though, that's the thing.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the hard obby because I don't even have anything to do. I'm just gonna wait till I get my money to make sure I step on my checkpoint. Woo! I just killed myself! Okay, where's the hard obby?
Come on.
Where's the hard obby? Oh my god, someone's going in your obby. I wanna go in your obby quickly.
Oh my gosh, you're not meant to go in my obby.
Oh, I already had a spot here already. That's my spot here. So her obby's called the bright yellow obby. Not done yet, and everyone's going on it. Dudes are like, how did she beat me?
Huh?
Dudes are like, I really want to get these stairs, but I don't have enough money. This maze is so cool, but I don't even know how to pass it.
I'm saying go on the green one because whenever you complete someone else's, you get money.
Do you go for this? Oh, I thought you were supposed to go. How do you do that? Okay, anyway, I'm going in it. Work in progress. I'm just gonna go on it because they said it's in progress, so whatever. So are we supposed to go on the red or not?
I'm the only one that can give you money, so I can actually get some money.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna hit it.
How much money do you have?
Everyone's going on troll or bear. Me? How much money do I? I don't even know how much money I have. Can I still get the stairs? I really want the stairs.
I've got 669.
I can't see because of that border. Anyway, I want to get deluxe. How much is it? I'm getting Builders Club soon.
Yeah, I know. You told me like 10,000 times.
I'm going to the hard obby. Like, it's too hard for me. Never mind. I'm going into the so cool obby.
No, come into
Okay, me too.
Oh, the red ones is safe. Go on the red one.
Oh, he tricked us. That's so cool.
Red one.
You just like pushed me off. Ah! Are you dead? Oh, I'm doing my close up so I can actually win this obby.
Oh my gosh, he tricked me again. Why? He tricks me so much times. Is this no, that's a troll lobby. I'm not going in the troll lobby.
Oh, I thought that was the so cool obby. Wait, that's the same one. Which one do you get money from? The so cool obby.
The cool obby and the one with the magenta floor.
Okay. Anyway, also... Wait, what are we supposed to go on? What are we going on? Oh, that one. Okay. Tricked us with the... He tricked us with the... He's trying to trick us with the red out thing. How do you even give money to people? Or do you need to be like a deluxe thing?
No.
How long does this go
When
for?
they have like a green checkpoint type thing.
Wait, is that just what the win thing is? Wait, are you not supposed to go? Are you supposed to go on the red rocks or no?
Yes, you're meant to go on the red rock.
Tricked me again.
I'm going on the magenta one so I can get money.
No, that one's really supposed to be the hard one. I'm just gonna go on this one. Look out, you die.
Oh no, she left.
Really? That happened to me too. Can I afford the stairs yet?
No one has a finished button.
I can't even get the stairs yet. This is so annoying. How did you get the stairs?
I came on server 9,000.
When? Oh, yeah, I'm playing Murder Mystery. Bye, can you join me? No, sorry, Till.
We're doing a vid. Alright, now what should I do to make it tricky?
Ah! I died.
What?
I was in your obby.
What are you doing?
Yours. Wait, does it say all done? Oh, not done. Okay, no problem. Oh, thanks, Till. Please don't tell Till what my YouTube channel is. Don't tell Till what my YouTube channel is. She'll tell everyone. She told the kids YouTube channel. To everyone.
You get more subscribers.
No, I don't want anyone from school looking at my channel. Wait. What are you supposed to go through? Oh, really?
Where are you? Am I obby?
Yeah, I don't even know what to do with this maze thing. I thought we were supposed to go for the yellow wall.
Oh my gosh, I'll show you. I was in front of the maze.
I'm inside the maze.
Oh. Here, follow me.
Oh, you're supposed to go for a random one, and you... Okay, I get it. I never knew that, though. That's just the thing. Hey, you have, like, the same thing as me. I have these.
No.
I like these ones. I'm not too bad at them. I'm like speedrun 4. I suck at speedrun 4. I think I already told Matilda what my channel was anyway. Oh, the rocks disappear. I did not know that. I still can't get the stairs.
Let's see if the so cool obby's done yet.
Yeah. I thought they were already done. I think Troll Obby's done.
Whoa. Okay, they're done. Let's go on that obby.
Oh, I got a checkpoint at the red one. I died. Did you die too?
Yeah.
Go on my obby. Go on my obby.
But you don't have a winner button, so it won't give me any money.
I don't care. Just go on my obby.
No, I want to get money.
I know. I have to beat it all. I have to beat my. Oh, I forgot Sebastian was in here. I just sneezed. Yeah, I'm gonna go teleport to where I suck at this.
Go into the troll obby.
Did I not like paint that before? I just painted my walls before, and they're saying that I never did. Whatever, I did again.
Go into the troll obby. You'll get money.
I'm on my obby.
You won't get money for your own obby.
Can I just like move forward a little bit? Can I just get off the trampoline? Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'll go on it quickly. No, I'll put a winner one down. Just so I can win and then delete it. I'm actually gonna do that. I do not even have enough money for that. You.
Go in the troll obby, win the troll obby, and you get 50 if you win the troll obby.
Does it cost to paint or something?
No?
I don't even know what's going on then. I'm just gonna wait until I get the winner. Oh no, actually, never mind. I'm gonna get the winner button and get my money back. How much money do you get?
You get $50 from completing an obby.
50?
Yeah?
That is barely anything!
I know, but it's better than just waiting.
I reckon waiting is better.
I can teleport. LOL.
You can?
Hell.
He left the game! While I was doing my obby. Wait, what? He did it?
Way to get $50.
No, I'm gonna go do mine. I'm gonna go do mine now. I still don't even have $400 to do it. I really need money. Don't you get like $5 every second? How come my money goes up so slowly?
I know. Goes up so slowly.
Whatever, I'm going back in the troll lobby.
I'm gonna upgrade my income.
Since he's gonna troll me, obviously it's gonna be the green one.
Who's gonna troll you?
This dude's trying to troll us, so I think it's gonna be the green one. I didn't even know it did that.
What one? You meant the troll one?
Yeah, no, it's the red one. Oh, I thought it would be in the green one. Go on the red one, not the green one. I thought it would be the green one. I thought he'd be like, You just knocked me off.
Why did you think it would be the green one if he was trolling you?
Well, I reckon that we think that it'd be the red one because we know he's trolling us. So he would troll us again, but no, he's not.
Yeah, he can double troll us.
I know. But he's not. How did I die then?
Well, he's double trolling us. He's not trolling us at the same time.
So it's the red one, I'm pretty sure. She went for the red one, so I'm pretty sure it's that.
Yeah, she did.
Okay, ready?
Alright, go.
You have to be so quick on that, though. I need to go closer. Okay, let's go. How did you die? How did you die then? Oh, you died. Okay. How did you even die though? What even is that? Oh my god, I suck at that one. Oh my god, Lucy!
I'll be AFK for a second. Yeah, I've got to eat dinner as fast as possible.
Okay. No! I suck at this. Anyway, Lucy's going to eat dinner if you cannot hear her. Anyway, the video's going to finish, so we'll make a number 2. I'll just pause it now and wait for Lucy to say goodbye.